When you see photos of Rihanna's slim but glamorous silhouette or Jessica Alba's flat post-pregnancy tummy, you probably wondered how celebrities stay so lean, or how do they always manage to snap back into shape in a blink of eye. Truth is, some celebrities go to strange and outrageous lengths to get or stay thin, even though most of them swear their perfect body comes from exercising and eating clean. It's risky to just follow blindly with those alleged diet plans of celebrities. But fret not, because here are some legit useful and healthy tips quoted directly from a list celebrity trainers that you could steal and not be wary of the risk. Tips from celebrity trainers. 1. Celebrities eat breakfast. Celebrity trainer Gunnar Peterson, trainer to Jennifer Lopez, Penelope Cruz, Leah Remini, introduced the idea of eating within 30 minutes of waking up in the morning. You want to send your body a signal that you're not starving, so it starts burning fat, says Peterson. Try oatmeal, scrambled egg whites, fruits. These ingredients provide filling fiber, protein and vitamins. Research shows breakfast eaters are more successful at long-term weight loss, as it helps jump-start your metabolism and prevents overeating throughout the day. 2. They pick their veggies. They're taught by their trainers to be picky in what veggies they eat. Here's a tip to slimming down a few inches for a Be Seen event. Nutritionist Carrie Weight made famous singer Fergie stock up on watery veggies and fruits, lettuce, celery, cucumbers, watermelon, grapes, to help get rid of bloating, as those veggies work by flushing out your system. Cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, and pears lead to gas and bloating, so if you'd like to be seen lean for the night, remember to avoid these right before an event. 3. They snack. Healthy snacks, of course. Trainer Valerie Waters had her clients, Jennifer Garner, Elizabeth Berkley, carry 150-calorie snacks where they go. A few all-time favorite snack combos include apple slices with low-fat string cheese, a couple of crackers topped with chicken salad, or a few slices of turkey ham with fruits. According to Valerie Waters, it's important to eat something every 3 to 4 hours. Because you can go from feeling kind of hungry to thinking you're starving badly, as your blood sugar can drop quickly. Healthy snacking helps curb with your cravings and gives you instant energy boost to keep you satiated. 4. They don't stop drinking. I hope you're not thinking about alcohol. Drink water. Of course it's water. They never stop drinking water. Celebrity trainer and nutritionist Harley Pasternak, whose clients include Lady Gaga, Rihanna, Megan Fox, Robert Downey Jr., urges the importance of hydration. According to Pasternak, thirst can often be mistaken for hunger, so regularly sipping water through the day can keep excess calories off your plate and your mouth. 3 famous celebrity diet plans. The 5-factor diet created by nutritionist and celebrity fitness guru Harley Pasternak. The 5 factors consist of the element each meal should include: protein, complex carbs, fats, fiber, and fluids. This diet plan requires you to eat 5 meals a day with recipes no more than 5 ingredients. And guess what? You get 1 cheat day per week, where you're allowed to eat anything you like. Celebrities like Eva Mendes, Alicia Keys, Megan Fox and Katy Perry are the followers of this diet. The Zone Diet. Developed by former scientist Dr. Barry Sears, this diet involves obtaining 40% of your daily total caloric intake from carbohydrates, 30% from fats and 30% from carbs. Sears created this diet based on balancing the correct amount of amino acids with carbs, because it helps to control your appetite and prevent overeating. You are to eat 3 portion-controlled meals and 2 snacks a day. Famous Hollywood celebrity Jennifer Aniston was such a big fan of this diet, some even called it the Jennifer Aniston diet. Pressed Juicery. Pressed Juicery is a California-based company where its products are in general dense in nutrition, low in sugar, yet high in fiber, and are proven to be a sensible way of consuming calories. It has been widely popular among celebrities to follow this 6 juices a day, 1,200-calorie intense cleanse. This Pressed Juicery diet is said to be a major bloat beater. Every morning you will receive a daily supply of juices delivered to your doorstep. Each fresh, nutrient-packed drink is specially designed to replace meals and snacks. And you're highly advised to avoid alcohol, caffeine, and nicotine in order to achieve a complete cleansing. Hollywood celebrity, and also a busy mom, Nicole Richie sips on these juices. I drink these between meals to be sure I'm getting everything I need. I don't go a day without a greens juice, kale, spinach, cucumber, celery and romaine. It's actually really good, says Richie. Star diet mantras and tricks. Don't you agree that having the dream body you have always desired can help you feel stronger and more in control? It helps to boost your confidence, self-esteem and mood. So if you're looking for inspiration to start eating healthy, why not follow your favorite celebrities' diet regimes, since they often serve as an example for everything else. These Hollywood stars have got a few neat tricks up their sleeves, which could easily be incorporated in your lifestyle. You don't have to resort to the harsh menus or strict diet fads for skin that defies your age. Nicki Minaj, no sugar or starch. She lost 10 pounds by giving up Snickers and sides of potatoes. 3 days before a big shoot, she says, "I just cut out sugar and starch." Hilary Duff, treat yourself. She does boxing drills and runs a lot. She eats a lot of chicken, but she rewards herself too. I love wine. Kaylee Cuoco, no alcohol. She skips alcohol for a lean body. Alcohol bloats us. I've become a little bit more aware of what goes in my body. She also works out 4 to 5 times a week, yoga, horseback riding, etc. Jennifer Lopez, cardio all the time. She lost 8 pounds by eating lean meat, broccoli and carrots. You realize how much you don't need the butter and bread to be healthy. You need the greens. When I eat better, I feel better. Jessica Simpson, oatmeal in small portions. She eats small portions of chicken and oatmeal. She also does strength training sessions 3 times a week. Miranda Lambert, everything in moderation. She plans her daily intake. If her breakfast is high in calories, she picks a low-calorie dinner like grilled chicken and sweet potatoes. She still snacks on her must-have snacks, Cheetos, by doing daily hour-long cardio drills. Ashley Tisdale, breakfast. She always starts her day with fresh fruit, an egg white omelette, and whole wheat toast. For more, like and subscribe.